Hi guys, Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today with another tutorial on the pillow cover. So it is so freeing, you guys, to be able to make your own pillow covers. And I just wanted to give you guys just a little inspiration. I do have some right over here that I would like to show you guys just for inspiration, because you can totally make whatever pillow cover you want and whatever size. So in this tutorial, I do give you a formula where you can, for whatever pillow you want to make, you can do it. So here is the first pillow cover. This one is 18 by 18 and it has the envelope backing. Isn't that pretty? I love the fabric. That's what inspired that one. And I even did it with crochet. And so if you guys do not know, I do have a crochet channel. It is just Creations PS91, and I have a whole lot of crochet stuff over there. So if you like crochet, just go ahead and head on over there and subscribe, and so you don't miss anything else in my crochet land over there. Okay, so this right here is a crochet pillow cover, and the thing I did is I put, this is the back, the envelope backing, and you can do this with, I'm telling you guys, you can really do this with any pillow that you want. This right here is a binding that I usually put around my crochet pillows. I usually put around the fabric ones as well, but with these I really do, because I want it to really hold, but it also give it a decorative look as well. So I am really liking that one, of course, right? All right. And so this one right here, the same. I saw the fabric, loved it for Christmas. And once again, envelope backing. So nice. I don't know if I showed you this one. Envelope backing. There we go. And so our last one, you guys, this one is granny squares, and once again, envelope backing, which is so nice. So the sky's the limit. And then I have the decorative binding around the pillow. If you would like for me to do a tutorial on the binding, I do have on my crochet channel, I do have a binding tutorial that I did for a crochet blanket. You know what? I'll link that one down below so you can actually look and see how I did it. It's the same way, I just did it smaller for the pillow, but it's the exact same way. And so this is it, you guys. I hope that you was inspired, and let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, you guys. So what you guys see right here, we have our 3 pieces to make our envelope style pillow cover. And we have, this is the 15-inch. We're doing a 15-inch pillow today. So this is 15-inch. And these are the 2 sides that I'm going to show you how to calculate for your envelope backing. And it is so easy, you guys. So easy. Okay, and you can use this method throughout it, whatever size pillow you want to make. You can use this method and it'll work for you every single time. Okay, so you want to take your inches of whatever your pillow is. Like this one is a 15-inch pillow, and so this is 15-inch right here. The length is 15 inches, and so now we need to get the width of what our pillow cover is so it can overlap and make that envelope style pillow. So you want to do 2 of these panels, and how you calculate it is you want to divide 2 into 15. Okay, so whatever inches your pillows are, you want to divide it by 2. So 2 divided into 15 is 8. Okay, and so then after you get your 8, when you calculate it, then you want to add 2. That makes it 10. Okay, and that is your measurement, right? Like, how easy was that? 2 divided into whatever your pillow is, your inches of your pillow cover, and then once you get that, and then you just add 2. So this right here is, the length of it is 15 by 10. Isn't that cool, huh? And so, like I said, you guys, it is super easy. That's the formula to do any envelope style pillow cover that you want to do. So now let's go and prepare our 2 backings. So we need to create a 1/4 of an inch going down. I'm going to iron this down 1/4 of an inch, because we have to use that, you know, we have to fold this because we don't want the raw edge. So I do have an iron. I'm going to do one on camera for you. And then after we do that, guys, we need to go to the sewing machine and then just sew it down. And I usually do, let me get my, slide this in the picture. Let me put that over there, right there. So here's our piece here. Put that there. And so I have the iron on nice and hot, and so I wanted to show this to you guys. So whatever your backing is, you really want to be careful, especially if you have directional pattern on your fabric. You can see this one doesn't, so I can actually do on either side, and if I happen to do the wrong side, I can just turn this around. But if you have directional print, audition your pillow, you know, your pillow cover. So when you turn it, because we're going to turn it inside out, when you turn inside out, your backing is on the, you know, right side, the directional side, how you want, you know, you don't want an upside down snowman. So you want to make sure that, you know, everything is directional when you are doing that. And so this is what I'm talking about. We want to take these and we want to just do a 1/4 of an inch. It does not have to be perfect, but we do want to just fold it over a little bit, because I mean, you know, so we can have that nice and neat and don't have that raw edge. Because if you keep that raw edge and you wash your pillow covers, they're gonna fray and they're gonna come loose. So I'm hoping you're able to see. And like I said, once again, guys, it does not have to be perfect. I am just, as you can see, I'm not measuring or anything. I'm really just folding over. You know, with practice, 1/4 of an inch, I kind of know what that looks like. So, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my other one the same way. And I'm going to go to the machine and I'm going to sew right down here. To give it that more neater look and for it to stay, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will meet you guys back right here. All right, you guys, I am back, and as you can see, I sewed down, straight down, all the way down for that. Now you can use any color thread you like. I didn't want to use the red because I wanted the white to show. It kind of matches the pillow, the front of the pillow cover. So now let's put our pillow cover together. So you want to have right sides facing. Okay, and so you want pretty side to pretty side. And what I mean by that is, and before that, guys, look, because I don't have a directional print, what I was stating before, I can turn this around. If it's on the wrong, just say if I put it either side, you know, I can turn it. But if you have a directional print, you have to make sure that your fold is on the right side. You can't have it on this side, and so you want to make sure. And so now let's put our pillow cover together, and this is what I'm talking about. Right side to right side. Some people say pretty side to pretty side, but right side to right side, you want to have that, and then you want to just match it up because your length and everything should be the same, 15 by 15. Then your width is going to be 10. Okay, and so you put this together like this and just turn it around and match it up. We want to match it up all. Make sure it's nice and neat. Match it up. Okay, and so now we just want to sew all the way around. That's it, all the way around your pillow. You want to pin it down, because I'm going to pin mine down. Let me see, where is my pins? Oh, they're across the room, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and stitch all the way around, and I'm going to come back and we'll turn it out together. Alrighty, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am back. So I went all the way around, sewed everything all around. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my ends. Just clip these right here because I don't want the bulk when I turn it inside out. And I'll do all 4 corners this way. And you just want to clip the ends. Make sure you don't clip into your threads, because that would just be horrible. You did all this work and then it's all, you have to do it all over again. Okay, so let's move on that. And so this is the big reveal. I just love this part, you guys. Okay, so let's turn it inside out. I usually go for a corner and then just turn it out. And then it starts to look so pretty. Here we are. Okay. Okay. Let's poke the corners out. Make sure we get all those lovely corners. And it's just so satisfying when you turn this inside out. Okay, and so you can see, let's do this corner right here. Almost done, you guys. I didn't want to speed this part up. I did want to do this in real time right here for you. And actually all the time, I want to do that for you guys. Okay, so if it seems a little longer, I'm sorry. Okay, so here it is. Oh, here's the front and here's the back. Okay, so then there's your envelope. How beautiful. And you just slide your pillow inside. And one of the things I did, you guys, when I was going all the way around, when I did get to these our parts right here, the fold and everything, I did do a double stitch there because I wanted to hold. So I did it there and here, just so when you're opening up your pillow cover, you know, you want that to last. I did it right here as well, because you're going to have 2 parts. You're going to have this one and then this one over here. And so I just made sure I back tacked a couple of times to get that nice and sturdy, so when we washing it and we are doing it, slipping the pillow in, then it will be nice and tough for us. And so this is it, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial on learning how to make an envelope style pillow cover. And remember, this is a 15-inch. You can get a 15-inch pillow what is it, a pillow cushion to slide into your pillow cover. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you make lots. You guys, this is it for me, so I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.